Tangjia. Tangjia. Alleys and streets, so quaint and so cool. Yeah, 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 Tangjia. 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 Alleys and streets, so quaint and so cool. Yeah, 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 Tangjia.
Okay, we're in Tangjia Village. Somewhere, this is called Wutong House. I don't know exactly what it is. Looks like maybe a hotel or like a apartments. I'm not 100% sure. And then right here is Tangle Park, and right here is one of the main streets that go through is Tangjia Village. I'm kind of just curious about this part of Tangjia, so I think I'm going to explore a little bit. There's something called Cat's Paradise. There's some other businesses around in here too. So I think I'm going to just start down here, see what this Tangle social hub is all about. Maybe label it accordingly, and then we might even walk a little bit into the park as well. So stay tuned for that. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so this is something called Tangle Social Hub. And I think the best way for me to explore it is just to get into it. It looks like there's little cafes in here. Bagu Cafe. Let's just see what these are. Let me see what else we got. And then over there is actually a cat cafe. Let me just walk over there as well. Just kind of see. So yeah, there's a cat cafe right here. You can see the cat. And I don't know if behind it is parking. Let me just walk back real quick and just see. Not too far away is also Sun Yat-sen. There's Cat's Paradise, that's the name of it. Looks like the back is just parking, I think. More parking. I think that's part of Sun Yat-sen University over there. So yeah, kind of interesting. So we're gonna walk down this little social hub area, see what it's all about, and then I'm gonna walk into the into this park over here. I think it's called Tangle Park. So let's go check it all out. Nice balconies. Yeah, and I don't know if it's a hotel or an apartment, but the ones on the right are definitely apartments. People are hanging clothes up. The left, I'm not so sure about. I think, let me see. They have this little welcoming thing, and then they also have that right there. Huh. So we'll go all the way down and just see. If there's nothing down here, then that's okay too. Here's a sweet shop. 1-2 Sweet. We'll just kind of walk all the way down, go around the corner. And over there, I don't know if that's part of, there's like different, okay. So it looks like it's gonna end right here. So yeah, basically I guess it's just an apartment, and then there's this office hub place, and then the Tangle Park is directly ahead. So I'm gonna turn the camera off and get up near the park. Okay, we're back here. Huh. Whole little post office theme here. So we got a Western post office. So yeah, I don't know, interesting. And over here we have the Tangjia sign, so we'll highlight that real quick as well. This side of Tangjia Social Hub. Then we're going to go up into the park. Just kind of see what's here. So yeah, we're basically on one side of the Tangjia Village. You can see all the greenery, trees. Here's a social hub right there to the left. This park is kind of big, so I'm definitely not going to see all of it with a camera, but I will walk in a little bit, give you a taste of it. Let's get up to that shrine up there. So I'm not sure exactly that shrine, but I know that there's like monuments in here for fighting the British when the British came in, like Hong Kong, all those elements. So I think that might be related to that. I have walked in here other times and I've seen that there are shrines and monuments for that purpose. Let me see. Okay. And we have a shrine right here. Looks really nice. Got the lions guarding it. Yeah, I think if we went up there, let me see. So there's something up there. I'm gonna just keep walking down this way. So this is to guard from stone lion and the first class officials. So basically to good luck, avoiding evil spirits. Let's walk down in here a little bit more. Actually, this park is really nice. It's really serene. It's like a really nice feeling when you're in this park. There's a nice peacefulness to it. And some of the trees are beautiful. There's more down here. It's like a little bit like a museum here, I think. Bonsai trees. Let's see. Okay. There's a lot in here to digest. I'll explore those more on my own without the camera. Let's kind of meander in here more. Okay. I'm gonna check this all out. This is quite beautiful. Like the trees, these trees, the foliage. There's a lot to it. and signs. So it's quite big. I looked it up on the map. It looks way more than I want to explore right now. But I did want to give you a tap into it a little bit. Makes me feel like I need to come back and just explore the whole park another time. You also have like QR codes so you can see exactly what trees they are. And they also say it too. And some photos of when it's in bloom. There's another one as well. Nice. Let me see. Oh, this is kind of cool. So 9-inch dragon and lotus pond. So quite a fondness for South China sceneries in the pavilions. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna meander back into the main Tangjia village road here. Yeah, I share that fondness for that inscription of the person that said they had a fondness for the foliage and feeling of South China. I really feel very attracted to that as well. Just kind of really love the vibes of being in South China and the trees, the foliage. It's just it's nice. And then this area too, you know, like this is that social hub that we're at. And there's like mountains in the distance. So I'm gonna look at these beautiful plum trees kind of hanging over the side. They kind of lean across the way like that. It's kind of cool. Beautiful flowers in bloom. It seems like there's always something in bloom in South China. Feels that way. So anyways, I think what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to film a little bit of the street. And I did another video where I did film this whole street. It was a long video. So so my plan now is to there's the Tangle Garden sign. There's a temple over here too. So my plan now is just to go down some side streets and do some different type of stuff. Kind of giving you more feeling of Tangjia Village. It's part of that shrine right here. So this is my chance to get into more detail with stuff. So the other videos coming up with Tangjia Village will be a chance to kind of explore more. Temple looks kind of cool. Oh, there's, see, I knew there was like a bunch of other cool stuff everywhere on the sides. This is called like art space. Little alleys. Check out these old houses too, right? Like this has like somebody's yard is there probably. Even like the detail of these. Just like this little thing has so much detail. Homes in there. And the shrine was right here. So anyways, it's really nice. Beautiful trees. They're still part of the Tangle Park. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to find a nice side street. I think this is the cemetery, Martyr Cemetery. I think that's the one. Look at all these beautiful shops. It's written in Chinese, but I think it's for those that died in battle against the British, I think. I'm not British, by the way. So now we're kind of getting on the edge of Tangjia Village. Some nice coffee shops. And I'm going to end my video. I guess we'll end it right here. This is a good ending spot. So yeah, we were basically on the one side of Tangjia Village, and we're basically started at that little Tangjia social hub, went into Tangle Park a little bit, And then we're just kind of on the edge of the Tangjia village as well. And then we're gonna have a nice ending spot right there with this. I wish we had somebody that was like right next to us. But yeah, this is kind of a cool little space. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there.
And so cool, Tangjia.